Welcome to Employment and Education News. Like, share, and subscribe is 100% free. So, please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. Assistant Rajbhasha, Draftsman, Technician, Scientific Assistant, Technical Assistant, Scientist Engineer, Medical Officer post vacancy in ISRO Human Space Flight Center. Eligibility Graduation ITI BSc in Microbiology, Diploma in Engineering, ME or MTech, MBBS, MD in Sports Medicine. Age limit maximum 28 years for assistant Rajbhasha, 30 years for scientist engineer, 35 years for draftsman, technician, scientific assistant, technical assistant, medical officer. Apply between 19 September 2024 and 9 October 2024. 170 Administrative Officer post vacancy in the New India Assurance Company Limited. Eligibility graduate, postgraduate in any discipline. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 29 September 2024. Application fees Rs 850 and Rs 100 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. 176 AC refrigeration mechanic, chipper grinder, compressor attendant, diesel com motor mechanic, driver, electric crane operator, electrician, electronic mechanic, fitter, Hindi translator, junior draftsman, junior quality control inspector, junior planner estimator, millwright mechanic, painter, pipe fitter, rigger, storekeeper, structural fabricator, firefighter, cell maker, security sepoy, utility hand master, first class post vacancy in Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Eligibility 10th ITI candidates must have passed National Apprenticeship Certificate Examination, diploma or degree in engineering, post graduation course with Hindi or English with English or Hindi as a subject at graduation level. Certificate of competency issued by Maharashtra Maritime Board. Age limit maximum 38 years, 48 years only for master first class. Last date for application 1st October 2024. Junior Research Fellow and Research Associate post vacancy in Indian Space Research Organization. Eligibility MTech in Geophysics, Applied Geophysics, Geology, Applied Geology, Physics, Mathematics, Marine Biology, Marine Geophysics, Geoinformatics, Remote Sensing, Geospatial Technology. PhD in Oceanography, Physical Oceanography, Meteorology, Atmospheric Science. Age limit maximum 28 years for junior research fellow and 35 years for research associate. Last date for application 7 October 2024. 819 Constable Kitchen Services post vacancy in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Eligibility 10th and NSQF Level 1 course in food production or kitchen. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 1st October 2024. Non-technical popular categories post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Board. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 18 to 36 years. Last date for application 13 October 2024. 33 Judgment Writer post vacancy in High Court of Punjab and Haryana. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 1st October 2024. Assistant Director, Personal Assistant, Assistant Section Officer, Assistant Computer Aided Design, Stenographer, Senior Secretariat Assistant, Junior Secretariat Assistant, Technical Assistant, Senior Technician, Technician post vacancy in Bureau of Indian Standard. Eligibility ITI, Bachelor Degree, Master Degree, MBA, CA. Age limit maximum 27 years for stenographer, senior secretariat assistant, junior secretariat assistant, technical assistant, technician. 30 years for personal assistant, assistant section officer, assistant computer aided design, and 35 years for assistant director. Last date for application 30 September 2024. Sportsperson post vacancy in Southern Railway under sports quota. Eligibility 10th, 12th, ITI graduation. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 6 October 2024. Senior section engineer, station master, commercial supervisor, goods train manager, technician, ESTM, assistant loco pilot, pointsman, track maintainer post vacancy in Konkan Railway Corporation Limited. Eligibility 10th ITI graduation, bachelor degree in engineering. Age limit between 18 to 36 years. Last date for application 6 October 2024. Graduate Apprentice, Technician Diploma Apprentice post vacancy in Defense Research and Development Organization. Eligibility BE or BTech, BBA, BCom, Diploma in Engineering passed in the year 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 are eligible to apply. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 7 October 2024. Stipend Rs 9,000 per month for graduate apprentice and 8,000 per month for technician apprentice. Common law admission test for 5 years integrated law degree and LLM. Eligibility 12th with 45% marks for 5 years integrated law degree and LLB with 50% marks for LLM. Age limit: there is no upper age limit for appearing the CLAT 2025. Last date for application 15 October 2024. Application fees Rs 4,000 and Rs 3,500 for SC, ST, PWD and BPL categories. Thanks for watching till the end.